Today, I have an exciting story about me for all the aspiring professionals out there, the journey from planning engineer to project manager. As a planning engineer, I have mastered the art of scheduling and coordination. Rather, my days were filled with project timelines. But what's next? How do I have the belief of becoming a project manager? I will share my top secret steps. Secret 1. I acquired leadership skills. A successful project manager needs strong leadership qualities. Start by taking on additional responsibilities, lead small teams, and showcase your ability to guide others. Secret 2. I expanded my skill set. Project managers wear many hats. Develop a broader skill set by learning about risk management, budgeting, and communication strategies. The more versatile you are, the better you can navigate complex projects. Secret 3. I build a network. Connect with professionals in your industry. Attend conferences, join online forums, and network within your organization. Building strong professional relationships can open doors to new opportunities. And there you have it. The roadmap from planning engineer to project manager. Remember, it's not just about the destination but the journey of growth and learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights.